What is the national animal of Scotland? Unicorn or pearl horse? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
The choice of the unicorn as the national animal of Scotland has roots in Celtic mythology and Scottish heraldry. Throughout history, the unicorn has been associated with purity, innocence, and power, making it a fitting symbol for the country. Its mythical status adds a sense of uniqueness and enchantment to Scotland's identity, capturing the imagination of people both within and outside the nation.
Which is the only bird that can swim, but cannot fly? Penguin or razorbill? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
I originally proposed a story to National Geographic about emperor penguins. I wanted to really connect the readers of National Geographic to this bird that can swim with such capability that it's hard to comprehend.
What is the largest organ in the human body? Liver or skin? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Your skin, the largest organ in your body. Laid out flat, it would cover close to 1.7 square meters of ground. Its purpose may seem obvious, to keep our insides in. But a look beyond the surface reveals that it plays a surprising number of roles in our lives.
Which country has the most islands in the world? Norway or Sweden? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Sweden. The country that has the most islands in the entire world is Sweden. Sweden has 267,570 islands. That number might be unexpectedly high to the majority of people that are researching this,